and arm it.
Okay, we're just doing an FPV run.
I guess one big thing we can test is how constant FPV stays on there in terms of image once we're flying. Same thing, I'm just gonna keep it easy, just take off, do like a box, and do return to launch.
Sensor confirmed.
Alright, here we go. Arming. Alright, we're going up.
Wow, good view.
I'm gonna hover here for a few minutes. That view, it does seem to affect it, right? It's a little noisy.
A little
What
bit,
does that
yeah.
say anyway?
What?
Mission planner.
Oh, it's like at 40%. It dropped.
No, what's that warning or whatever on there?
Failed to update home location. And
Okay, that's right. That's a nice view.
yeah, I'm gonna. Oh. There's that sucker. There he is.
Very noisy in terms of
0%. Lost it.
0% lost it. Let me bring it back.
That's the telemetry data.
Okay.
24%. You know, we should put the antennas not down underneath it.
I don't think it is this time.
Yeah, so we'll try that next time.
I'm gonna do some yaw. Wow, that was weird. You see that?
Nah,
Look, try to look at the. No, I don't. I think it's nothing. It's just like it just feels funny because I'm not used to doing yaw. All right.
0%. It just dropped. I guess. Try yawing one slowly.
Yaw. Wait, it's landing. It's landing. Why is it trying to land?
I don't know.
Unless the throttle was lower.
Yeah, it could have been.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm yawing right now. Yaw.
Okay, 40%.
40%.
Yeah, I think it's the antenna's being blocked by the batteries or something,
Okay.
or the body.
See, like, why is it drifting now? Because I'm
You're just
stabilized, right?
Stabilized or alternate?
I'm sorry, I'm in stabilized. Yeah, stabilized. I'll go to.
Well, yeah, but you want loiter is the one that
Loiter is the yeah. So that's why. Forget everything when I'm flying the big truck. But you know what you should do? Check out the so altitude is approximately
48, 50 meters.
and
yeah.
you can show on the video what the houses and whatnot look like.
Ah, neat.
It's recording.
Yeah, that's about 50 meters up. Give you the view of the houses and what we can spot. And it's 5:22, a cloudy evening. Not bright sun, but not terrible.
All right. See maybe the church. Can you get the church? That's the church.
I'm all over with the camera on this one. I'm trying to find the damn thing.
Alright, I'm gonna go return to launch.
Return to launch.
Alright.
There we are. Damn. Okay, you can probably set it down.
Okay.
I was just trying
0% again, so I think even in altitude.
Well, we're right underneath it, you know?
Oh yeah, that's right, that's right.
Antenna is very directional. Oh, that's right. It's a dipole antenna, so above and below it, you're not going to get a whole lot.
Still no telemetry. You want me to yaw it towards the houses?
No, I think that's okay. I'd leave it come down. I'll get the. Well, you can. We can match this video up roughly in time with.
Yeah. Looks a little extra shaky. Right? Look at those motors.